SDS, Secure Design Solution, is the one of the leading service provider for all types of security services. Based in Bangalore since 5 years, we provide the electronic security, cyber security, and manpower security services. Feeling safe is so important. Whether you are considering your home security or workplace or business place, at Secure Design Solution, we offer a wide range of security services, devices, tools, and measures to keep you and your belongings safe at amazing prices. We offer full setup, installation and support, electronic security services, cyber security services, manpower security services, consultancy, design and solutions, installation, maintenance, AMC, repairing, entertainment. For more, visit our website www.securedesign.in. Contact us today through my booking form. We can discuss your needs and design a security plan that's exactly right for you. Contact us now.